How to delete your AliExpress account permanently. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you do not want to use the AliExpress anymore and want to delete your account, here is the perfect tutorial. First of all, open and log in into your AliExpress account and then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. Then tap on the settings icon. Here, select on the first option, which is profile. On the last, you will see delete account option. Tapping on it will take you to another page, which is by the privacy center. Make sure you read all of this, which includes that the request to delete your account is final and cannot be undone. Also, it will delete other process as well. Tap on delete your account button and then you will have to first verify. To verify your account, it will send you a code on your email address. Now you just have to paste the code and you should be able to verify. Additionally, you can also verify by contacting the customer service, but the easy way would be just to go with your email. For this, open your Gmail account, click on the mail that you received, and here you will see the 6-digit code. Simply copy the code and then you can paste it on the box that is given on this page. And this way you should be able to verify your account. Likewise, on the next page, you have the option to either delete the account or not delete it as well. If you are sure of deleting, tap on delete account and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.